natin, ang circle has a radius, diba? And radius is equal anywhere from the circle, from the center of the circle to its side. Okay, that is the radius equal to this radius. So, yan, alam natin yan. Okay, so the general equation of the circle from the introduction, ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0, where a and c is equal. So if equal is c, a and c, the constant beside x squared and y squared respectively, therefore the equation is circle. Okay? So there are two standard equation ng circle. One is equation of circle with center at origin. Okay? So, meaning, center mo is 0, 0. Okay? That is center in origin. If you will draw a circle na may center sa origin, so, ganito yung magiging itsura niya with radius. Okay? So, what will be the standard equation? So, kung titignan nyo tong radius natin, okay, and na-intersect niya yung one of the point ng circle, let's say x, y, or any point there in the circle. Okay? And if you project this one, so that is point center papunta dito sa y, that is y, yung distance niya. And from center to this one, pag in-extend natin, that is x naman, yung distance niya. Tama? And nakagawa tayo ng right triangle. And kung titingnan niyo yung standard equation ng center at origin ng circle, it is just like Pythagorean theorem. Actually, Pythagorean theorem talaga ang standard equation ng circle. That is r, the hypotenuse, r squared, and x and y are the two sides of the triangle. So, therefore, yan yung standard equation natin ng circle with center at origin. And if the center is not in origin, for example, center at HK. So, if you have a center at HK, okay, and this is 0, 0, tama? So let this be, ano pa rin, at point, may point ka ulit dito anywhere xy. Okay? So, if you get xy, project this one. So, this is y. Okay? And this is x. Yung point natin dito. Okay? Pag pinat natin. And dahil ang center natin is HK, therefore, yung height nito is K. Tama? And the length nito is H. Okay? So, natira ito. Itong side ng triangle na nabuo ulit natin, that is x minus h. Tama? X minus h. And then, ito namang side na to is y minus k. So, ito yun. Tama? Ito rin yun. That is y minus k. Y minus k. So, nakabuo ulit tayo ng triangle dyan using Pythagorean theorem with your hypotenuse as your radius. So, r squared is equal to, and r squared is equal to x minus h squared, which is yung side na nito, and y minus k squared, which is yung the other side naman. Okay? Kaya, naging ganito yung formula ng circle natin at center at HK. Okay? So, solve tayo ng problem para ma-apply natin yung mga equation natin sa circle. Okay? So, number 1, determine the diameter of circle x squared, y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0. So, the answer is 10. So, paano naging 10? So, diameter. So, knowing wala tayong diameter sa formula, ang meron lang tayo is radius. Di ba? So, kailangan makuha muna natin yung radius and then times 2 lang. Alam natin is diameter is 2 times the radius. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung radius ng formula, kailangan yung formula na given maging standard equation. Either of the two. Ito or this one. Center at origin or center at HK. Okay? So, solve natin tong number 1. So, given the equation x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. So, kailangan maayos natin, ma-arrange natin yung formula na yan into one of these standard equation. Okay? So, dahil merong x and y, okay? So, kapag merong x and y, tapos pareha yung yung constant dito sa x and y, sabi natin pag pareha yan, circle yan, di ba? And if you have x and y, automatic, the circle is with the center at HK. Okay? Yan. So, paano natin mapapapunta dito sa equation, sa standard equation tong given equation? So, ang gagawin natin is completing the square. So, ang gagawin, paano yung completing the square? Pagsama-samahin lang natin yung x. So, x squared minus 6y. And, mag-blanco ka lang dyan. Tapos, yung y naman, y squared plus 4y. Then, yung constant, lipat natin sa right side. So, magbablanco ka lang ulit dito. Equals 12, positive 12. Okay? And then, bakit tayo nagblanko? Kasi nga, i-complete natin yung square. So, anong i-add natin dyan dito sa blanco? So, isa yan. I-complete natin yung square ng x, i-complete natin yung square ng y. So, how to complete the square? So, ipa-plus mo dito is yung middle term mo. So, kahit isama mo yung negative or hindi, okay lang. So, that is negative 6. And, i-divide mo sa 2 yan. Okay, divide by 2. And then, i-squared mo. So, yun yung process. So, tingnan natin sa y naman. So, ito plus to ha. So, positive y yun. So, may plus dyan. So, sa y naman, yung middle term, 4y, sabi natin, positive yan. I-divide natin sa 2. And then, i-squared natin. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Kung paano mag-complete ng square. Pero tandaan nyo, kapag may binago kayo sa left side ng equation, kailangan baguhin nyo rin sa right side. Like this one, nag-add tayo sa left side, i-add din natin yan sa right side, which is, ayan, plus negative 6 over 2 squared plus 4 over 2 squared. Okay? So, kung anong in-add natin dito to complete the square, yun din yung i-add sa right side. So, simplify natin. So, x squared minus 6x plus negative 3 squared plus y squared plus 4y. So, plus to ha. Plus 2 squared equals 12 plus, ito, negative 3 squared is, sabihin na natin, negative 3 squared plus 2 squared. Okay? So, hindi ko agad in-squared to. Hindi ko na isi-simplify yan as 9. Okay? Kasi, yan na yung factor. Fa-factor na natin tong x equation na complete the square. So, ang factor niyan is x. Kung ano mang nandito sa loob ng parenthesis, na kailangan isama niyo yung negative sign kung negative yung middle term dito. So, that is minus 3 squared. So, yan na yung factor. So, perfect square siya, meaning ang factor niya x minus 3 times x minus 3. Okay? And then sa y, so 2 yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, that is, then positive 2 squared. So, yan naman yung factor nitong y. And then, simplify natin tong right side at 12 plus 3 squared, negative 3 squared is positive 9 pa rin, plus 2 squared is 4. And then, x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 12 plus 9, 21 plus 4, 25. Okay? So, nagawa na natin ganitong itsura. Naging standard equation na yan. Like dito, di ba? X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Yan, di ba? Same format na yung formula. Therefore, yung radius na gusto nating makuha, ito na yon. Radius squared is equal to 25. So, r squared is equal to 25. Then, to square root both sides para matanggal yung squared. Therefore, the radius is 5 units. And, dahil alam na natin si radius, so, alam nating diameter is equal to 2r. So, that is 2 times 5. So, the diameter is 10 units. Okay? Okay? So, proceed tayo sa number 2. Number 2. So, what is the distance between the centers of the circle x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0 and x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 6y plus 7 equals 0. So, distance between the centers of the two circle. So, ang gagawin natin dito, isolve muna natin yung center. Hanapin muna natin yung center ng dalawang circle na yan para makuha natin yung distance nila. Okay? Alam natin center, di ba? Ano yan? Coordinate yan, x, y. So, alam ba, h, k. So, dalawang point yung circle. So, recalling the formula sa analytic geometry ng distance between 2 points, yun yung gagamitin nating formula to get the distance between the centers of the circle. Pero para umpisahan to, kailangan solve muna natin yung dalawang circle. So, circle 1, merong formula na x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0. So, kailangan kunin natin yung center nito, yung HK. Okay, so paano natin makuha yung center ng HK? Ganun ulit, ang gagawin natin, kailangan mapapunta ulit natin into standard equation yung formula na given. So, ang gagawin ay completing the square ulit. So, ganun ulit, pagsamahin mo yung x, yan, x squared plus 2x, tapos magbakante ka lang dyan. So, plus, yan, lagyan natin ng blanco. Then, y squared plus 4y, so plus to, plus y squared plus 4y, plus, lagyan mo ulit ang blanco. And then, ilipat natin yung constant, that is positive 3. So, anong i-add natin dito? Sabi natin, yung middle term, i-divide natin sa 2. Then, e squared. So, sa y, yung middle term is 4. Yung constant, so 4, divide mo sa 2, and then squared. Kung anong in-add mo sa left side, yun din yung i-add natin sa right side. So, that is 2 over 2 squared plus 4 over 2 squared. Okay, then, simplify. Then, x squared plus 2x. 2 over 2 is 1. 1 squared plus y squared plus 4y plus 2 squared. Tama? And 3 plus 2 over 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Plus 4 over 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Okay? Then, factor nyo yung x, factor yung y. Sabi ko kanina, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, kung hindi mo in-squared, yan na yung factor. Kung positive, positive 1 squared plus y, ito ulit yung factor niya, yung 2 plus 2 squared equals 3, 4, 8. So, 8. 8 yung Sagot. So, from this standard formula, so nagawa na natin siya into standard formula. So, ano nga yung standard formula natin? That is, di ba, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Tama? So, paano natin makukuha yung center? So, center natin, sabi natin center at h, k. Okay? So, ito yung h. Kung ano nasa tapat niyan, h, and ang k, ito naman sa y, tabi ng y. Pero, tingnan nyo lagi, concern nyo yung signs. Okay? So, anong value ng h natin dyan? So, ang h natin dito is negative 1. So, bakit negative 1? Kasi pag yung negative 1, sinubstitute natin sa x minus h, like this one, x minus negative 1, so that is x plus 1 squared, tama? Which is, yan yung formula natin. So, kailangan, babaligtarin mo yung unit nito, ay yung sign nito, nung given formula to get yung h and k. So, yung k naman natin dito is, ito, positive 2. So, negative 2. Kasi pag sinubstitute mo ulit yung k sa y minus k na negative 2, magiging positive 2, which is yun yung formula natin. So, therefore, ang circle 1 natin is at center negative 1, negative 2. Tama? So, ilagay lang muna natin yan dyan. Okay? So, isolve naman natin yung circle 2. So, dito na lang. Sa circle 2, ang given ay x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 6y plus 7 equals 0. So, ganun ulit. Ang gagawin nating standard equation. So, completing the square ulit. So, dito sa conic section, mostly, completing the square talaga. So, dapat, alam nyo tong completing the square. Kasi kung hindi nyo na masasagutan yung ibang problem ng conic section. So, pinagsama ko ulit si x squared minus 8x, plus, nilagyan ko ulit ng blanco dyan. So, plus y squared minus 6y, plus may blanco ulit. Then, lipat natin yung constant sa right side. That is negative 7. Okay? So, paano nga ulit yung completing the square? So, kunin mo yung middle term ni x, that is negative 8. Isama natin yung sign, negative 8 over 2, and then squared. Ganon din sa y, negative 6. Negative 6 over 2 squared. And kung anong inad sa left side, yun din yung i-add natin sa right side. So, that is negative 8 over 2 squared plus negative 6 over 2 squared. Okay? So, simplify. Factor nito is x. Kung anong nandito na, i-ano muna natin, simplify natin. X squared minus 8x plus negative 4 squared plus y squared minus 6y plus negative 3 squared equals negative 7. Negative 8 over 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16 plus 16 plus negative 6 over 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. Okay? So, factor. Ang factor niyan, sabi ko ulit kung anong nasa loob ng parentheses kung hindi nyo sinimplify yung squared. So, that is negative 4 squared. And ganoon din sa y. Negative 3 naman. Negative 3 squared. And simplify ito. So, 7 plus, negative 7 plus 16, that is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay? Naging standard equation na siya. So, diba, yung standard equation natin, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Therefore, ang center natin at hk, so ang h natin is negative 4 dito. So, sabi natin, yung babaguhin natin yung sign, that is 4 na yung h, and yung k dito is negative 3, so that is positive 3. So, ang center natin sa circle 2 is at 4, 3. Okay? And dahil meron na tayong both center, and ang tinatanong naman is distance between the centers of the circle. Okay? Kung gusto natin makita yan, kung i-graph natin, kahit yung dalawang circle lang, okay? Ayan. Kung i-graph natin yan, 4, 3, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 3. Ito yung center ni 2. And then yung center ni 1 is negative 1, negative 2. 1, 2. So that is center ni 1. So the distance between the two center will be this one. Yan. So gaano kahaba yan? Yan yung tanong natin eh. Okay? So meron siyang center dito, center 2 at 4, 3, and center 1 at negative 1, negative 2. So, para makuha yung distance, sabi ko nga kanina, ang gagamitin natin yung distance formula.